Namaste everyone. How are you?
Namaste.
How you guys are doing?
Good.
Doing good. Okay. So Bonji, you are new today here. You are doing 200 or 300?
I was in the 300-hour class in November.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay. Where I am, it's 12:30 in the morning. So I didn't come in November because I'm working too.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to try to come to your class this time if it's okay.
No, it's okay. It's okay. You can join.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Sit in any comfortable position on your mat. Keep your back neck straight in one line. Make Gyan or Chin Mudra with your fingers. Touch your first fingertip on your thumb tip and open your middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Prepare your body, your mind, your breath for today's class. We'll start our today's class by chanting one time of Om with the opening mantra. Join your palms in front of your heart center. Take a deep breath in. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः वन्दे गुरुणां चरणारविन्दे सन्दर्भसिता स्वात्मसुखा भवते निःश्रेयश्रीचाङ्गुलिकायमाने संसारहालाहलो शान्ते आवाहो पुरुषाकारं शङ्खचक्रासिधारिणं सहस्राशीर्षं प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिम् अथ योगा अनुशासनम्. Exhale, gently bow down your head towards God. Ask God to give us strength and energy for today's class. While blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Okay, raise your both arms up over your head. Interlace your fingers, rotate your palms out, and stretch your spine towards the ceiling. Move your spine left to right, right to left. Create the space between your vertebrae, your spine. Now exhale, drop your right palm out of your right leg and inhale, take your left arm over your head towards the right side. Now look towards your left palm, Hastagya Drishti. Inhale, again come back to the center. Exhale, drop your left elbow on the left side. Take your right arm towards the left side and look towards your right palm. Inhale, again all the way come up. Exhale, now lateral bend towards the right side, interlock your fingers. Open with your chest. Inhale, again come back up. Exhale to the left side. Inhale, again back to the center. Exhale, try to go for the forward fold. Into 90 degree. Stretch your arm. Keep your both arms closer to your ears. Hold. Inhale, again come back up. Exhale, drop your hands behind your back. Inhale, lift your chest up and look back. Exhale, come back down. Now from there, hug yourself like this. Tightly hug yourself, give yourself a tight hug. And inhale, look up. Try to lift your hands up and bend with your thoracic region, upper thoracic region. Exhale, look down. Make a hump on your back. Push your scapulas away from each other. Inhale again up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Hold there for 3 counts. 1, 2, and 3. Exhale down. Hold there. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, come back to the center. Open your hands, shake your hands. Now inhale, raise your both arms by the side. Now rotate with your shoulder joint. Slowly point your fingers towards the left side and right side. 3, 4, 5, anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now palm facing towards the wall. Turn your wrist in. Your now palm will be faced towards the left side, right side, like this. Now again, start 1, 2, slowly, just move with your shoulder joint. Do not move like this with your hands. Do not bend your elbows. Keep your arms elevated towards the right side and left side. 3, 4, and 5. Change the direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly drop your shoulders down, move your head right to left, left to right. Inhale, center, exhale, turn. Inhale, center, exhale. Now inhale, look up, exhale, look down. Inhale, look up, exhale, look down. And exhale. Okay, so Bonnie ji, in this class, we have like Ashtanga. So you know a little bit about Ashtanga?
Stand up.
Ashtanga.
Oh, Ashtanga. Yes.
Ashtanga,
And I've
yeah.
watched the 3 classes or 2 classes you've done already.
Okay. Okay.
And
then
some
it-
last
then
I
it's very
watched,
good.
and the Zoom ones last time I watched, but I didn't
Okay.
get to do any live. Yeah,
Okay. It's good that you have like done the homework before
I think I have it.
coming.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now press your palms beside of your like right side and come into tabletop position on your mat. We're doing some little bit warm up to prepare our body for the sun salutations. So inhale. Now look up, roll your shoulder for the cow pose and tuck your tailbone out. Your tailbone should be coming out and your shoulder blades coming closer to each other. Exhale, look down, make a hump on your back. Push your shoulder blades away, tuck your tailbone in and press with the palm on the mat properly. Inhale, again roll your shoulders, look up. Exhale, look down, make a hump on your back. Inhale, one more time, look up and hold there for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, look down, make a hump on your back. 3, 2, and 1. Come back to the center. Now drop your fingertips on the floor. So you will get the more elevation. Drop your fingertips now. Come on your fingertips, make finger cups like this and drop your fingertips. Inhale, same posture will do, cow and cat pose, just with our fingertips we'll do now. So we'll get the more elevation. Exhale down, make a hump on your back. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up and hold there for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Exhale down. 3, 2, and 1. Now drop your palm and stretch your hands front for the puppy pose. Stretch your arms. Keep your hip and your knee in one line. And just keep sinking with your chest or your thoracic. Try to touch your thoracic on the mat. Look front. Put your chin on the mat. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again. Come back to the tabletop. Now, just move with your wrist. Okay. Turn your like little bit. Shoulders outward, palms outward, little bit, not much. Put your first fingers parallel to each other and start rotating. Inhale, lean towards the right. Go to the front. Exhale, come from the left and come back. Inhale to the right. Lean front. Exhale, come back. Inhale 3. Exhale back. Inhale 4. Exhale back. 5. Inhale. Exhale. Now we'll do from the left side. We'll change the direction. Inhale, go from the left side. Front and exhale, come back from the right. Inhale and exhale. Inhale 3. Exhale back. Inhale 4. Exhale back. Inhale 5. Exhale back. Now come for the child pose. Open your knees, adjust your belly between your thighs, slide your hands front, try to go down, put your head down. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Now touch your toes, lift your hips up, come for the downward facing dog. Try to touch your heels on the mat. Press with your palms properly on the floor. And now walk front and stand into Samasthiti. Okay. Now we'll start with Sun Salutation A. Come in front of a mat, take 1 feet distance. Ekam inhale, raise your both arms up over your head. Come for Urdhva Stasana, look towards your thumb. Do not go for the back bend, just pull your spine towards the ceiling. This is not for a back bending posture. This is a type of stretching posture. Exhale, bend fully forward down towards your leg. Bend with your hip joints. Try to keep your spine straight. Treni, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. You can bend your knees and look front, but keep your spine in one line. Chatwari, press your palm and exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold here for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees and jump front between your both palms. Ashto and exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, Ekam, inhale, raise your arms up. Doi, exhale, bend fully forward down. Treni, inhale, look front, touch your fingertips on the floor, keep your spine lengthening. Chatwari, press your palm on the floor and take your legs back or jump back into Chaturanga. Bend your elbows in Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha. Keep your hips elevating towards the ceiling. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale, raise your arms up. Do, exhale, bend towards your legs. 3, inhale, lift your spine up. Chatwari, exhale, come back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees and jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round, Ekam, inhale, raise your both arms again over your head. Keep stretching your spine up. As much as you can, pull yourself up towards the ceiling. Do, exhale, bend forward with your hip joints, keeping your spine straight. 3, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ashto, bend your both knees, jump front, sorry, Sapta. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth round, Ekam, inhale, again come back for the Urdhva. Do, exhale, bend forward down for Uttanasana. 3, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Sun salutation B. Now we'll do sun salutation B first round. Ekam, inhale, bend your knees and raise your arms up. Come for the chair pose. Do not cross your knees with your toes. Take your knees back in a squat position. Take your hips down. Do, exhale, bend fully forward down towards your leg. 3, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, lift your right leg up and then bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, come back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Now inhale, upward facing dog. Dasha, exhale, downward facing dog. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Keep your front leg 90 degrees. Back feet slightly 5 degrees in. Exhale again. Chaturdasha, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, Nabi Chakra Drishti, look at your navel point. 4 and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump into halfway look up. Shodasa, exhale, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale to the Samasthiti. Second round, Ekam, inhale, again come back for the chair pose. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold. 3D, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Square your hip towards the left side. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Sodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay. Now we'll go for the third round, warrior or sun salutation B. Ekam, inhale, again back to the chair pose. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold. 3D, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, left leg front for warrior A. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, and Chaturdasha, exhale. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. For the fourth round, Ekam, inhale, come back to the chair pose. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold. 3D, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back for the Chaturanga. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. 3D, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back for the Chaturanga. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga.
Triyodasha inhale. Chaturdasha exhale. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees and jump front. Shodasa exhale. Saptadasa inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. 5th and last round, Ekam inhale, come back for the chair position. To exhale, bend for the forward fold. 3D inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Shat exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Now inhale, Dasha exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shoulders exhale, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, Paldinji, you know which posture we have done yesterday, the last posture.
I didn't remember. I don't remember the names. Sorry, today is internet some problems.
Okay, it's okay. So we'll not like do something new, because if we'll do, then you can miss that. We'll repeat yet tomorrow yesterday's posture today, so you don't miss anything. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Because I cannot see a video also, so I will not get that you are doing it correct or not. So that's why. So just we'll repeat, because Bonnie ji will also come up with us, like with the first pose, we'll repeat again. Okay. So stand up on your mat. We'll do the first posture of Ashtanga series. Ekam inhale, stand into Samasthiti. Ekam inhale, jump, open your leg, shoulder width apart. Keep your both palms on your waist. Keep your feet open, shoulder distance apart. Now do a exhale, bend fully forward down. And grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Inhale, halfway look up. Lengthen your spine here. You can bend your knees if you cannot straighten your legs. Sorry, if you cannot straighten your spine, you can bend your legs. Now exhale, bend fully forward down. Bend your both elbows to the out. Look between your both legs. Nasagra drishti. Your gaze should be in on top of tip of your nose. Hold there for 5 counts. Keep bending your elbows out, left side and right side, and take your head towards between your legs. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Very nice. Exhale. Now drop your both hands under your feet, or drop your both palms under your feet for Padhastasana. Inhale again, halfway look up, bend your knees for lengthening your spine. Lift your chest up, lift your chest. Try to lift your chest so your spine can be in one line. You should push your lower back down and your chest up. Now exhale gently and slowly, take straight your knees and try to bend your elbows again out towards the left and right side and look between your both legs. 5. Very good. Keep stretching, keep bending your elbow. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, look front. Exhale, drop your both palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up. And exhale, jump back to the Samasthiti. Samasthiti is a position where we like stand straight, Bonnie ji. Stand straight, our legs were together and we'll straight like this, yeah. And if we stretch our hands down, finger
Samasthiti,
pointing
yeah.
towards the floor. Yeah.
Tadas-
Now
Tadasana.
now Samasthiti, Tadasana is an asana and Samasthiti is a position. So these both are
Okay.
different. So you will
Okay.
not open your hands like this, stretch your hands down like that. Yeah, yeah. Done. Okay, now we'll move forward to the next pose, that is Trikonasana, triangle pose. This is Utthit Trikonasana. So come in front of a mat and swing your right leg back 4.5 feet apart. Yeah. From there, swing your right leg back 4.5 feet apart. Right toe out and left toe in. Your right toe will go towards the right side and your left toe will not hips, just toes, just toes. Your feet will go right toe go out, left toe 5 degrees in towards the right side. Okay. So I swing my leg like this. I
Yeah.
swing my leg. Right
Yeah.
toe is going out and left toe is coming 5 towards the front. Or you can take it 5 degrees in as well. Raise your
Yeah.
both arms by the side like this. Okay. Now stretch your hand towards the right side as much as you can. Stretch your hand and then try to go down. You can place your palm on your shin or you can grab your toes if you want. Inhale, lift your chest up, look up towards your left hand, push your hips in, pull your chest out and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, very nice. 3, very good. 4 and 5. Inhale, come back up, come back to the center. Now turn your left toe out and right toe in. Change your side, your hip will not turn, just your feet will turn. Exhale, bend towards the left side, grab your left big toe from your first 2 fingers. If you cannot reach up to your toes, you can just place your hands on your shin bone. Now inhale, look towards your upper hand, upper palm, and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Inhale, come back up. Very nice. Now again, turn the right toe out and left toe in. Now square your hips towards the right side. Yeah. Now place your left palm out of your right feet. Yeah. For revolve triangle pose. And take your right arm up and look towards your right arm and hold there. Very nice. 1, very good. 2, again, take your chest towards the back as much as you can. Push your hips in. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Inhale, come back up. Now change your side. Left toe out and right toe in. Now place your right palm, exhale out of your left feet. And take your left arm up. Now look towards your left arm and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, it's okay. Again, back to the position. 4 and 5. Exhale, look down. Inhale, come back up. Stepping your right foot front and back to the Samasthiti. Yeah. Now we'll go for the next pose, that is side angle pose. First, Utthit Parshvanasana. Again, Ekam inhale, swing your right leg 4.5 feet apart. Always come in front of your mat. Yeah. Right toe out, left toe in. Always do first from right side, then go for the left side in Ashtanga. We always do first on the right side. So Bonnie turn towards the right side. Yeah, yeah. Both arms by the side. Now bend your right leg at the knee at 90 degree. Keep your ankle and your knee in one line. Okay. So bend your knee like this. Your knee and ankle should be in one line. So your knee will not have a pressure on your knee. And exhale, drop your right knee on your right elbow. Drop your right elbow on your right knee. Inhale, swing your left arm from down over your head. Open your chest, look to the left armpit and hold. 1. Keep sinking with your pelvic down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, again come back to the center. Exhale, change your side. Left toe out, right toe in. Bend your left leg at the knee. Now drop your exhale, drop your left leg, left elbow on your left knee. Keep sinking with your pelvis down. Inhale, take your right arm from down and stretch it over your head. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, again come back to the center. Right toe out again and left toe in. Now square your hip towards the right side. Keep your palms. Now bend your knee. Now exhale, twist and drop your left elbow out of your right knee and make namaste. Bring your both elbows together in one line like this. And keep looking towards the right side up on your right shoulder. 1. Keep twisting. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, again come back to the center. Open your hands by the side. Now left toe out and right toe in. Exhale, drop your right elbow out of your left knee. Again, make Namaste Mudra and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Inhale, come back to the center. Stepping your right foot front back to the Samasthiti. Always go front. Bonnie, always go front side. There, from where you have started, that side. Okay, now we'll do wide leg forward bend. Parasarita Padottanasana, A, B, C, and D. 4 variations. Ekam inhale, send your right leg back, both toes front now. Always send the right leg. Yeah, both toes front. Now toes inside and your ankles little bit outside. You will push your toe in and ankles a little bit out. Like this. Keep your both palms on your waist. Inhale, lift your chest up. And exhale, bend fully forward down. Contract your shoulder blades. Push your elbow closer to each other. And drop your both palms in between your both legs. Yeah, inhale, halfway look up, look front. Exhale, bend your elbows. Try to take your crown head on the floor if you can. If you cannot, just stretch your spine. Look between your leg on tip of your nose, Nasagra Drishti, and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, straight your elbows, lengthen your spine. Exhale, drop your palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale. Now we'll do Parasarita Padottanasana B. Ekam inhale, raise your both arms by the side. Do exhale, place your both palms on your waist. Inhale, lift your chest up. And exhale, bend fully forward down. Now, without removing your hands, try to touch your crown head on the floor. Contract your shoulder blades, squeeze your elbows. 1, closer to each other behind your back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale again. Now we'll do Parasarita Padottanasana C. Ekam inhale again, both arms by the side. Now do exhale, interlace your fingers behind your back. Inhale, lift your chest up and pull your hands down. And exhale, bend fully forward down. Try to touch your crown head again on the mat. Or take your hands towards the floor as much as close. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, release your palm on your waist. Now we'll do Parasarita Padottanasana D. Wide leg forward bend, 4th variation. Inhale, lift your chest up. Do exhale, bend fully forward down. Grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Inhale, lift your chest up. Lengthen your spine here. You can bend your knees for lengthening the spine. Exhale, bend your both elbows out and try to go down deep into the posture and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, look front. Exhale, palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Okay, now I'll sit down on the mat. I'll do some counter poses for our back. Lay down on your mat from your back. Lay down on your mat. Bend your both knees. Now drop your both legs towards the right side and look left side. Inhale back to the center. Drop your both feet, knees towards the left side and look right side. Inhale again, come up. Exhale, change your side. Inhale again, come back up. Exhale, change your side. Now inhale, come back to the center. And exhale, grab your both ankles with your both palms. And lift your hips up for the bridge pose. Exhale, drop a hip down. Inhale, again lift your hip up. Exhale, drop a hip down. Inhale, again lift your hip up. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop a hip down. Now bend your both knees, hug your knees. Inhale and exhale, try to touch your forehead on your knee. Now roll yourself front and back on your spine. Roll yourself, keep your knees touched to your chest and your head should be touched on your knees. And then roll yourself. Front rolling, side roll. And now straight your legs and relax into Shavasana for 1 minute. Straight your legs, drop your legs down. Drop your right feet, right side, left feet, left side. Hand should be a little bit far from your body and your palms facing towards the ceiling, little bit chin in. Do not make any arch on your back. Your spine should be touched to the floor properly. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Calm your breath down. Calm your mind, calm your body, relax your body, your muscles, your breath, your heartbeat. Now turn yourself towards the right side. Make pillow of your right hand, bend your both knees. Now press with your left palm and sit in any comfortable position you want. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Now we'll chant one time Om, followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palms together, rub your both palms. Apply it on your eyeballs, apply it on your face, apply it on your neck, your shoulder, your hands, your chest, your belly, your legs, and gently pull down your head towards God. Thank God for giving us energy and strength for today's class. While blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti, everyone. If you have any question, any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, then no questions.
I have one.
Oh, you can ask Penny.
When you said the chant in the beginning, the first line, I can't remember what it was. Before Vinde, she,
Shri Gurupyo Nama.
yeah. What does that mean?
I'm bowing down to my gurus.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, then see you tomorrow. Take care and namaste, everyone.
Namaste. Thank you.
Welcome.